Today, I'm here to drag all of you because you guys are guilty of these things I'm about to list in one way or the other. And this thing needs to stop in 2025. It must not go with us to 2026. So sit tight because I'm here to spill all the teas. Hey besties, it's your favorite girl Adelayo, and I'm reporting live from the land of gist, glow and good vibes only, period. In today's video, we are talking about things I wish I knew before taking my skincare seriously, because honestly, most of these mistakes had me looking like burnt chin chin, and I'll be asking myself, wetin dey really occur? Like, why am my skincare not working? Because I know how much I spend on my skincare. I know how much time I invest in my skincare. So why is it not working? But you know what? I'm here to tell you so that you don't learn the hard way just the way I did. Before we start, if you know you're guilty of at least one of these things I'm about to list, start confessing in the comment section. Let's rejuvenate together. Let's know ourselves. Number 1 on my list. This one is the one I even finished me totally. Is using the same towel you use for your body, using it on your face. Tell me one reason why you will not break out. You break out because you know that towel, you don't wash it often, and you know it has packed as much bacteria as it can, and you now apply that same towel on your face. Bro, gentlemen and women, you will break out. I don't want to know how. In fact, you will. Oh, chim. So yeah, I'll advise you get a separate towel for your face, because you know it's very advisable to like use a different clean towel for your face, and make sure if you can't wash that towel every day, make sure you wash it at least 3 to 4 times every week to save ourselves from all the stress of bacteria, drama on our face. We don't want that for our faces, right? So please get a separate towel for your face. Number 2 is not washing your face after sweating. This one is for the TikTokers in the house, the gym rats. After gymming, going to the gym, after dancing and sweating like, you know, roasted corn, and then you now feel, oh, I'm tired, I don't want to wash my face yet. The moment that sweat dries up on your skin, it clogs your pores. And when it clogs your pores, you start to break out. And when you break out, you start to complain that, oh, my skincare is not working. It's a lie. It is you that is not working. Wash your face. Even if you cannot take your bath immediately, at least wash your face with water. Don't let that sweat dries up on your skin, please. Wash your face. Don't take your bath or wash your face. Either ways, just don't allow that sweat to dry off. Thank you. Number 3 is changing products every week. All the skincare ashawo people, come closer. You're jumping from one product to the other. You're saying, it's not working. Oh, I got this toner. You have used it for just 2 days. Oh, you're saying it's not working. Can you give it time? You're not preparing Indomie instant noodles that when you use it immediately it starts to work. Yeah, it starts to work, but you might not see the effect as quick as you want. So just give it time, okay? Be stable with that product. Keep using it. With time, it will change. You don't have to change from one brand to the other because you feel it's not working. All right? You don't have to buy different products just to like. You're not testing. Your skin is not a testing subject that you have to apply everything you see. You just have to give it time. Give that product time. Do not buy rishi because you feel it's not working. Just give that product time. It will work, okay? And that brings me to the next one, not being consistent with your product. Some of you people will buy product today, you have used it for just 1 week, you have forgotten about it, you're not using it again. You now say, I even bought one product to I'm using for my skincare, let me go and apply it. No, tell me why it will work. It will not work now. You have to be consistent in anything you do in this life. If you're not consistent with it, you cannot see results. And that same thing applies to skincare. If you're not consistent with your skincare application, it will not work. So you just have to keep using it. When you keep using it, you will see the result. You don't have to just assume that with just one application it will work. Like I said, you're not performing magic with your skincare. You're not doing some akadabra, waiting in the column. You're not doing akadabra, whatever it is. Please be consistent with your skincare products. Number 5 is not cleaning your phone screen. It shock you? Come, let me explain. You see that our phone screen is dirtier than you think it is. Most of the times you are pressing it, you have oil in your hand, you're pressing, you are eating, you're pressing, you have water, you're pressing, and all of those things get dry on that screen. And when you want to receive phone call, you lift that phone and put it on your cheek. Yes, immediately you put it on your cheek, that bacteria has transferred to your cheek. And that's why if you notice the effect of sometimes your breakout rather, it gives you that iPhone effect on your cheek. It's not because of anything, it's because of your dirty phone screen. Yes, so now that you know that your phone screen can give you breakout, make sure you wipe your phone screen as often as possible. You can either use an alcohol wipes, you know those wipes that, yeah, you can use any of those ones. Let's not do too much. If you don't have that, you can get a, you know, these clothes that come with our shades that you wear, these glasses, yeah, this small piece of cloth. Just, you know, just wet it a bit and wipe the phone screen. Please, now that you know that your phone screen can give you breakouts, please make sure you do that often. Number 6 is popping your pimples. I know it is very, very tempting. The moment one pimple appears on your face, you're already finding a way to bust it. You're finding a way to pop it up. Some people will even tell somebody to pop it for them. Some people will even willingly want to pop your pimples for you. Like, how do people do this? They'll say, oh, it's so therapeutic. See, in this life we have weird people, but that's by the way. So please do not bust your pimples, do not pop it anymore. Please get a pimple patches or let it just dry off and let it go, because the moment you pop it, you know, it gives it tears and scars. And I even heard that if you pop your pimple and the water splashes on another part of your face, like another pimples develops there. I don't know how true. So me, I don't used to bust my pimple, not anymore. When I did not know, I used to pop, but now, and people that used to bust pimple for people, I agree to now I don't know. Number 7 is applying products in the wrong order. Some people, anyone they see, they just put from moisturizer, they are putting serum, they are putting toner, they are putting bobo, they are just applying everything on their face, more like they are cooking smoky jollof rice on their skin. Haba, your skin is not pot of soup. Your product has to be applied step by step, orderly. From your cleanser, you're cleaning your face. After cleansing your face, you're using toner. After using toner, you're using serum. From serum to moisturizer, from moisturizer to sunscreen. That is how it should be. Not putting sunscreen before moisturizer. I beg. Henceforth, this is 2023, we are going to enjoy. Number 8 is ignoring ingredients. You go to the market because you see this product that they said glow extra. You carry it and buy. Or you see product that is branded in a pink bottle, you know, very cute, sexy thing. You see, oh, this product is very cute, it's going to work for me. My sister, it doesn't work that way. Grab that product and check the list of ingredients in that product. Know what works for you. Buy ingredient that will work for your skin. Stop wasting money on ingredient that will not work for you. And if you don't know ingredient that would work for you, I made a video about in my last skincare video, I made a video about knowing ingredients to include in your routine, so you can check it out, and you know, it will help you to know ingredients you should include in your routine. The next on my list is ignoring your neck. Most of us think that our face ends after our jawline. No, it doesn't. There's nothing as painful as when you have two-tone complexion. You're glowing on your face and your neck is like giving another shade entirely. Nah, I remember when I just started skincare, I was so focused on my face, you know, you want to glow, you want the pretty face, yes. And I was ignoring my neck. Guess what? People started asking me that, why is your face lighter than your neck? Why is your face giving, your face is lighter and your neck is darker? I didn't realize, right? Until when people started calling my attention to it, I'm like, oh, shit, man. So please, you do not want that for yourself. So please, whenever you apply product on your face, drag it down to your neck, because there's something about having like same complexions down, like from your head down to your neck, even to your body. So please avoid ignoring your neck. Number 10 is not taking enough water. Yes, I'm guilty of this too. Guilty as charged, yes. But I'm trying. I want to now I'm taking it upon myself to start taking 6 to 8 glasses of water every day. Yes, because I don't know why we always say we want to glow, but we are not taking water seriously, because we have to be hydrated, because even plants needs water to grow, right? So how much more we humans? Please, let's cultivate that habit of taking water every day. Always feel hydrated, because water helps us flush every toxins in the body, everything that is not good in our body, that is making our body like harmful to our body. Water helps to flush it off. So please always take water to be hydrated so you can shine, glow. I mean, take it as a challenge and tell me you see the difference. I promise you, because I've taken it up actually. I think I started since last week. I've been thinking, and I bet you I'm seeing differences in my skin. Yeah. Number 11 on my list is using dirty makeup brushes. These ones are for those that does makeup for themselves. Even the makeup artists that does for people too. Most of us do not wash our makeup brushes, and you say you are breaking out. Why will you not break out? You have carried dust, old foundation, sweat, and bacteria in one brush, and then you apply it on your face and you say you are breaking out. You will definitely break out. Please and please, let's cultivate that habit of washing our makeup brushes at least once every week before using it on our faces. Please and please. Number 11 on my list is sleeping with makeup on. This one, after you have not washed your brush, you do not wash your brushes that you use for makeup, you will see that carry that makeup, you're not going to sleep again. Because I don't know why you want to intentionally just clog that pores. Why? Please, let's cultivate the habit of cleaning our makeups before bed. Some people will say, oh, I've spent so much on this makeup. I spent a lot of thousands on this makeup. I can't use it for just one day. Maybe they did it on a Saturday. They're going to church on Sunday. They want to take it to church. They say, oh, I'm taking that makeup to church. I don't want to clean it. Please clean it. God will provide another money that we use for another makeup. Please clean it. Don't clog your pores. Please. Thank you so much, guys. Please, let's cultivate that habit. Even if you are tired, take wipes. Even if you cannot take your bath, right? Take wipes and rose water. Use it to clean your face before bed, so that when you wake up in the morning, you'll be very, very free from acne. Because when you sleep with makeup on, there's no how you will clog that pores. And whenever your pores are clogged, you will definitely break out. This is not even memes. This is not joke. Please. Number 13 is using body lotion on your face. These ones, the guys are guilty of this one very well. We have some ladies who that used to do this thing, but the guys are the one that's anything they don't go, right? But please, let's avoid using body lotion on our faces, because most of these body lotions are formulated with heavy ingredients that might not really be suitable for. In fact, most of them are not suitable for our face. That is why we have body cream different, face cream different, right? Because most of these creams are formulated for elbow, ankles, and everything, and you now come and apply it on your face. Your face is so soft to absorb such ingredients. Please and please, let's get a face cream separately for our face. Do not use body cream for your face, okay? Number 14 on my list is sleeping on dirty pillowcases. Let's not lie. Some of us now, we've been using that pillowcase, we've not washed it or changed it. Only God knows when. And it has seen things from sweat to makeup stain to drool to tears from heartbreak, and everything has mixed together on that pillowcase, and you carry your beautiful face and lay on that pillowcase. Tell me why you will not break out. Let's learn to change our pillowcases every 3 to 4 days, I beg. Number 15 is touching your face too much. Please, let's avoid touching our faces too much. You see, it's our hands most of the time it touches things that are not clean, that has bacteria. No, you're going out, you're touching a rail, you're touching ATM card, you're touching money. A lot of these things can just accumulate bacteria. And while touching your faces, you can transfer those bacteria to your face. That is why most of the time we break out and we don't even know where they're coming from. So please, let's avoid touching our faces too much. Only if you're doing your cleansing, you're doing cleanser, you're doing your skincare period, yeah, you can touch your face. But on a random day, don't touch your face too much. Please avoid it, because bacteria are everywhere and we don't want that on our faces. Bonus tips, guys. I used to say this in every of my skincare videos. You should know already, is the use of sunscreen. Never underestimate the power of sunscreen. Whenever you apply your skincare, always use sunscreen on your skin. You do not want to go under the sun without sunscreen, because the sun will roast you like bully. Imagine using all the good products on your face finish and you're not going under the sun without sunscreen. The sun. So please use sunscreen always, and always learn to reapply sunscreen, because most people, they will say, oh, I've applied sunscreen in the morning, it's still the next day. No, sunscreen fades after 3 to 4 hours. I think 2 to 3 hours actually. sunscreen fades off after 2 to 3 hours, so you want to always reapply sunscreen, even if you are indoor, because the sun ray can come through your room. I mean, if you have windows, of course the sun will come through your windows, so please, even if you're indoor, use sunscreen, right? Thank you so much, guys, for listening to my pet talk. That'll be all for today, guys. Don't forget to drink water. Drink water. Drink water, stay pretty, and keep being that person. And if your skin is still misbehaving after this video, know that it is not me. So it could be either your towel that you're using for your body, you're using it for your face, or you are not drinking water properly, or you're not using sunscreen, or you're using that body lotion you're using for your body, you're using it for your face. Or if you don't know, rewatch that video again, because you see that those mistakes is not going with us to 2026. It's ending in 2025. We are entering 2026 with a glowing skin, and that's on period. Thank you. Let me know in the comment section what you want me to talk next in my video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel, please, guys. I love you so much. See you in my next video. Bye.